In this video, we'll determine the probability of a coin toss, heads or tails. A coin toss, to determine a head or a tail, is sometimes used to decide which player goes first in a game or a contest. Which outcome is more likely, a head or a tail, or does it matter? To determine the theoretical likeliness of each outcome, aka the probability of a head or the probability of a tail, we can use the theoretical probability formula. We say theoretical because the probability is based on reason, not an actual experiment. To use the theoretical probability formula, divide the number of favorable outcomes by the number of possible outcomes. Let's find the theoretical probability of tossing a head. On a coin, the number of favorable outcomes, which is the number of heads on a coin, is 1, so the numerator is 1. The number of possible outcomes, which is the total number of heads and tails on a coin, is 2, so the denominator is 2. 1 out of 2 makes a 50% chance of tossing a head. Now, let's find the probability of tossing a tail. There is only one tail, so the numerator is 1, and the total number of heads and tails on a coin is 2, so the denominator is 2. That makes a 50% chance of tossing a tail. In theory, does it matter which you pick, heads or tails? It does not, because the theoretical probability of heads or tails is the same. Let's try an actual experiment with some real coins. First, find a few coins and then make a table to record the results of each actual coin toss, heads or tails. As you experiment, I predict that eventually you will get experimental results that are pretty close to the theoretical probability of 50% heads and 50% tails. Thanks for watching Math Moonshot videos. So long for now.